Hey, you got a few minutes? Let's work the calves. Today is all about the calves. This is the first video in our 5-minute add-on series. Just if you ever got a few minutes to throw on a video and work on a muscle group, that's what this is all about. My favorite place to do calf work is at my kitchen sink. I have one of those squishy mats and it feels awesome on my feet, so highly recommend that. I want you to have 2 hands on your sink or your surface. I'm gonna face you. Let's start with our feet hip distance apart. Let's warm up those ankles. So we're gonna plie, press, stretch, and just roll through. So down, stretching the arches of the feet and lowering the heels, keeping the spine relatively neutral. No need for a warm up for this sort of thing. We're just gonna get those calves, get them good in the few minutes that we have. Just a strong lift and lower. So the knees are staying straight, a little bit of a tight booty, not like rock hard booty. Like, oh, I had a fellow teacher that used to say a mango booty. You know, like just a little bit firm, a little bit soft all at the same time. A little faster, up, down. And you're gonna wanna check periodically that you're not doing anything wonky with your ankles. So if you look down, ankle should be right over your second toe, second or third metatarsal, nice straight ankles. Okay, I want you to stay up. We're gonna stay up and drop halfway down. Nice and gentle, and you are squeezing the calves. The calves can be like coconuts, real nice and firm. Squeeze them, relax, squeeze. So we're gonna do 3 a little faster and a drop all the way down. 3, 2, when you drop your heels, give me a plie, a bend through the knees. That's gonna help stretch out your calves and your Achilles tendons just a little bit. We're gonna stay in that little burn zone, but never like untolerably. Just a little pulse. Squeeze your booty. Ooh, mine got soft. Mine was like an overripe mango. All right, take a demi plie. We're gonna open to a first position. We're gonna reverse that little roll through. So we're gonna start with a rise, push over, drop the heels, and straighten. And I want you to notice if your ankles are a little wiggly and wobbly as you drop them. Push over and then lower. Lift, press. So it should feel kind of nice, like you're opening your toes, working those calves. Keep your knees straight, just lift and lower. Lift, lower, lift, lower. And maybe you're looking out your window at your kitchen sink and you're like, I'm just gonna ignore the dishes that are in here. Everything's good. A little faster. Squeeze, squeeze. So with the turned out position, I like it because you have to squeeze your butt a little harder, get those inner thighs rocking, all the way up, halfway down. Up, halfway down. Squeeze. Keep a nice bit of posture, a little faster. Woo. Okay, we're gonna do that same little triplet with the plie. So you'll get just a hint of a break. Coming up, here's 3, 2, 1, plie. And maybe both hands are still on that surface. You're always welcome to go profile if you wanna switch it up. Look somewhere else. Plie, last one. Okay, a few little pulses. We're into a wider position. Here we go. 8, 7, squeeze your butt. More like a coconut. 4, 3, 2, 1, plie. Okay, we're wide and parallel. Really pull up the kneecaps right away. Up to tempo, up, down. Now my main point of correction or reference here is not to sickle the feet. Okay, you're gonna want to do that. Ooh, I need 2 hands on the bar. We're just going up and down. This is where the fatigue creeps in and you might not be able to lift your heels high at all. It's okay, do your best. All right, up, halfway down, slow. Squeeze, halfway down. Roll your shoulders back. Woo. A little faster, just 8 here. 8, 7, 6. So no triplet and plie, none of that malarkey. Woo. Take up a little bend, a little plie. So we're in a wide second position. You can stay facing your surface. Lift, lower. Now these are tough. These are tough. I was gonna say tricky and tough. So these are tough. These are ticky. One of those things. Oh my gosh, I'm not talking. A little faster. Up, up. Things are starting to burn real good in the calf department. So I'm struggling to say anything nice. I'm here with ya. Okay, we're gonna take a little plie. You're gonna just lift the heels and set them down. I get the quivers real good. We're training the lower calf here. It's called your soleus. Gastrocnemius is the upper part. Soleus is a little lower. We just wanna strengthen the full calf. Double time, and then we're gonna just head right to our grand finale. A little bit of residual thigh. You were like, Joanna, I thought this was only calves. So you can come up a little higher if you need to. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You ready for that final frontier? We're all the way zipped up. Lift and lower, up to tempo. So here's what I want you to use your arms a little bit. I want you to circle those arms out and down. You can choose one and then just alternate to the other one. Or if you are ready to go to the balance, go ahead and take it. Up, up, open, open. It's a great distraction for your calves, which are burning really good. Okay, either taking that balance, stay, or hands to the bar, just stay. Push your heels as high as they can go. Stay with me, don't stop, we're almost there. Down, up, up. 2 more. Okay, can we do 32 double time or should we do 16? 32. I said it, so we have to follow through. It's gonna go really fast. Just pump those heels high, squeeze your booty. We're halfway there. All right, final 8, 8, 6, get those heels high. 4, 3, 2, 1, and clear. We did it. Whew. Take a quick calf stretch. Yeah, I was gonna say if you need more, you can repeat this video and do it all over again, but I don't see why you would need to do that. Whew, that got me going a little bit. So maybe you're gonna wear heels soon. You do this video every other day. Build those calves. Little definition, great for your feet. Thanks for joining a 5-minute workout.